Okay. Uh, Yesterday I continued with the process of creating some structural documents for MemPalace on communication. Uh, and then I continued sorting files for another hour or so, where I went from like 40,000 files to 25,000 in need of sorting. So now I'm going through each of the, I don't know, 6 or 7 file organization sessions, and I'm figuring out, I'm running an analysis of each session for pros and cons. And I think I'm also going to see if I can sort them for lists of PowerShell and terminal commands. Um, so I can see how that's going. But right now, I'm in the sixth step of creating a master system document. And this is a text edit document, this one. Where are my glasses? Can't need them. Uh, okay. So the master system document for image archive organization system. Status active, purpose stabilize and organize large image archive without full manual sorting. This means that it's controlled by code within the terminal, as when the code within the terminal is something that is being generated inside ChatGPT. Um, I'll explain more about that later. Rule, do not organize everything. Structure, layer 1, archive all images, no decisions. Layer 2, naming, searchable file names. Layer 3, selects, small working sets only. Rules, work in batches, 100 to 300 files, no full archive sorting, no motional decisions in archive. Only select what is needed. I can already tell you that now, last night I was sorting 3,000 files at a time. I know today we're going to back down to 1,800 to 2,000 because statistically we have more problems when the batches were as large as 3,000, but it was an option. And we began with sorting 10, which was hideous. Location, root is file system. And I didn't know what that meant. I still don't really know what it means. I'm just kind of following instructions. And so what I was told was go to desktop, document something, and I went here to this PC. And when you go to this PC, you're not given any options for file creation. So you have to go into Windows C, and there you have, like, these are, I guess, the main level folders. I still don't know what that stuff is called. I'm guessing I'll learn about it through this process. Not there yet. And so chat told me to create file underscore system. I guess that means file organization system. And so that's under Windows C. And it told me to create a control folder. And under it, we have master system document 1. So that's the mapping of where that's located. And so that's why the location is root, file system, control, document, master system, document 1, text. Next action. Process first batch of images, 100 to 300 files, apply naming system, do not move entire archive. And because this is really confusing and special, um, I had to back ChatGPT right back down to where it wasn't driving me crazy. So So that's telling me step by step by step, which was not something that we were doing in this first session of file organization and structure. So I finished that. Let me just double check since next action, do not move entire archive. Okay. And so now I'm adding status to that. Space, save, stop here. You now have a working control document. Okay, so that's all fine and well, but I said that what I want to do, so I'm going to create a master document for each thread related to file organization. After each file is created, I will ask you to analyze it to create a master system document for file organization. No, after each thread, we'll put this back together. So, okay, this completes master system document, master system document from the first file organization session. Now I will do the same in each of the other. What do you call these? Are they threads? These headings in ChatGPT. I would like copy paste instructions for asking in each thread that this master document is created. I would like to have each of these reviewed. Consolidated into one document, if that is advised, which reflects all of the best successful practices. Let's see. Good term. They're called conversations. Okay. Copy paste instructions used in each conversation. Create master system document for this conversation. Requirements concise, step by step only. No multiple document splits. No suggestions or options. One continuous document. Wait for my confirmation after each step before continuing. Okay. I need to copy that somewhere. Start a new thread over here. Okay. So the command to copy, create master system document, wait for each. Yes, you will create one master document, then combine into master system document. This will remove duplicates, keep only what worked, unify rules. Rule, do not merge yet. Complete all conversation documents first. Next step, go to next conversations, paste instruction, begin again. Okay, fun. So we're copying this, and that's where we stop this recording. And we're going to start from scratch in the new document.